In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the accrued amount of salary. When you need to adjust the amounts that were accrued for the employees in the accounting and other currencies that the entity plans to eventually pay to the employee as their benefits and vacation payout, a document of employee benefit adjustment should be created. To access the employee benefit provision adjustment document, go to HR and Payroll module, open Employee Benefit Provision Adjustment from Payroll Documents. Click on Create option to create a new document. Once the form opens, fill all the required tabs. On the main tab, you can view general information about the employee's provision adjustment. In the entity field, select the legal entity of your company for whose employee the calculation will be performed. In the employee field, select an employee whose provisions you want to adjust. The department field is populated automatically with the department of the selected employee. If needed, you can specify another department. Using the transaction type field, you can select the type of transaction which you want to perform from the following options. Reset of provisions to record the benefit accrued amount as the entity's other income. Loan repayment from benefit provisions to pay for the loan using the benefit accrued amount entirely or partially. Reset of accumulated vacation pay to record the amount accrued for vacation as an entity's other income. Loan repayment from vacation pay to pay for the loan using the accumulated vacation pay amount entirely or partially. Selecting the transaction type makes a corresponding same name tab. For example, if the loan payment is selected in the transaction type, a tab of loan repayment from benefit provision will be appearing. In the comment text box, enter any information that is relevant to the adjustment. Once the main tab is filled, move to the second tab. On this tab, you can view or create a list of benefits with accrued amount and specify the amount to be used to repay the employee loan. To check the balance of the employee benefit provision, you can use the report Balance of Employee Benefit Provision report from HR and Payroll. You can add benefit provision to the list manually one by one using the option Add or click Fill by Balance. Please note, in the provision column, select the benefit whom the adjustment transaction will be performed. In the accrued amount column, it is automatically populated with the amount accrued for the benefit and the currency of the benefit. In the adjustment amount column, you can enter the adjustment amount in the benefit currency to be used as a loan payment. The adjustment amount should not exceed the accrued amount. The rate and the factor column, you can adjust the rate of the benefit currency with respect to the national currency. In the GL account column, click the GL account number link to open the GL account. A benefit dialog box will appear. In the GL account field, select the GL account associated with the benefit, or you can select another account from the charts of account section. Click OK to close the dialog box. In the loan document column, you can select the employee loan to be paid with the adjustment amount. Click on Show All. Choose the relevant loan. You can view the loan's currency, its remaining amount, unpaid interest amount if the interest is non-zero. In the repayment amount or interest paid amount, you will see as the adjustment amount converted to the currency of this loan is distributed proportionally between the remaining principal amount and unpaid interest if the loan has non-zero interest %. If needed, you can use the rate and factor column to adjust the exchange rate of the loan currency with respect to the national currency. The amount accounting currency column is auto-populated with the adjustment amount in the accounting currency. In the GL account column, you can view the default GL accounts associated with the employee loan. If you need to replace any of the account, click the GL account number link to open the GL accounts, giving you the details of the GL account. In order to change them, you have to open the employee, click the option Edit GL accounts, and make the required changes in this available fields. Click on Save and Close. Once the details are filled, check the data, enter the right repayment amount, and post the document. Once the transaction is posted, click on View Transaction Details to check the entry created. The entry will be Debit Staff Salary Settlement and Credit Loans to Employee. By this way, the loan will be repaid using the provision benefit amount. Moving on to the second transaction type, Reset of Provisions. It is used to record the accrued benefit amount as the entity's other income. The reset of provisions Provision tab, here you can view or create a list of benefits for which provisions are maintained and specify the amount to be written off to other income. You can add benefit provision to the list manually one by one using the add option, or use the option fill by balance to fill the data automatically. In the provision column, select the benefit for whom this adjustment will be performed. The accrued amount column is auto-populated with the amount accrued for the benefit in the currency of the benefit. The adjustment amount, you can enter the amount in the benefit currency to be written off. Here you can adjust the rate of the benefit currency with respect to the national currency. The amount AED column is auto-populated with the adjustment amount in the accounting currency. The GL account credit column is populated with the default GL account to be used at a credit side of the transaction. Generally, it's other operating income. You can choose another GL account from the charts of account. The account credit dimension column shows the default dimension specified for the credit account. In the GL account column, click the GL account number link to open the GL account. Select the GL associated with the selected benefit, or you can select another account from the same charts of account section. Click on OK. You can use the transaction content column to briefly describe this adjustment transaction. Once all the details are filled, post the document. Click on View Transaction Detail to check the entry created. It will be debit staff salary settlement and credit finance income. Moving on to the third transaction type, that is loan repayment from the vacation pay. The vacation payout amount will be used to pay out the loans. This functionality can be used for the employee if in the employee contract or the latest employment contract change, on the vacation tab the accumulated vacation pay option is selected. For example, the employment contract under vacation, accumulate vacation pay is selected. Moving back to the employment benefit provision, make the required changes in the details. Move to the tab Loan Repayment for Vacation Pay. You can add vacation with accumulated pay to the list manually, or use the option Fill in Balance to fill the data automatically. In the vacation type column, select the vacation for whom this adjustment transaction will be performed. The accumulated vacation pay column is auto-populated with the amount accrued for the vacation in the currency of this vacation. The adjustment amount, you enter the adjustment amount in the vacation currency to be used as a loan repayment. This amount should not exceed the accrued amount. The GL account field, select the GL account associated with the vacation pay accrual. In the loan document column, you can select the employee loan to be paid with the adjustment amount and view the loan's currency, its remaining balance, and the unpaid interest amount. In the repayment amount field, you will see the adjustment amount converted to the currency of this loan is distributed proportionally between the remaining principal amount and unpaid interest if the loan has non-zero interest percentage. If needed, you can use the rate and factor column to adjust the exchange rate of the loan currency with respect to the national currency. In the amount column, it shows the adjustment amount converted to the accounting currency. In the GL account column, you can view the default GL account associated with the employee loan. If needed, you can replace any of the accounts from the Employee Edit GL account function. Match the repayment amount with the adjustment amount and post the document. Click on View Transaction Details to check the entry created. The entry will be debit accumulated vacation pay and credit loans to employees. Let's move to the last transaction type, that is reset of accumulated vacation pay, which is used when the benefit amount accrued for the vacation will be considered as other income. Moving to the reset of accumulated vacation pay tab, here you can see the list of the vacation for which provisions are maintained and vacation pay is accumulated monthly, and specify the amount to be written off to the other income. You can add vacation with accumulated pay to the list manually, or click the option Fill by Balance. In the vacation type column, select the vacation with the accumulated vacation pay amount and for which the adjustment will be performed. In the accumulated vacation pay amount, it is auto-populated with the amount accrued for the vacation in the currency of the vacation. The GL account credit column is populated with the default GL account to be used at the credit side of the transaction. Generally, it's other operating income. You can choose the required GL account from the available section. In the GL account credit dimension column, it shows the default transactions specified for the credit account. In the GL account column, notice the GL associated with the selected vacation type. Once the details are filled, post the document. Click on View Transaction Detail to check the entry created. It will be debit accumulated vacation pay and credit finance income. That's how the adjustment of the accrued amount can be done in the database. Thanks for watching the video.